Hello everyone, I'm Bhagyashree, studying MSc Microbiology second year from MNR PG College. Now I'm going to explain about coronavirus and its receptor sites in detail. Let's get into the topic. As we all know, coronavirus is a pandemic disease. It causes respiratory illness. Its target organ is lung. It is transmitted through respiratory droplets and by direct contact with the infected person. Now, let's learn about the receptor which is allowing the virus to enter our body. ACE2, that is angiotensin converting enzyme, facilitates the coronavirus entry and its replication in our body. Coronavirus spike proteins has high binding affinity to human ACE2. This is demonstrated by Zohu et al. That overexpressing ACE2 from different species in HeLa cells with human ACE2 allowed SARS-CoV infection and replication. By this, they have identified ACE2 as a cellular entry receptor. Let's know about ACE2 in detail. It is a protein highly expressed in intestinal epithelial cells, functioning as a co-receptor for nutrient uptake, particularly for amino acid resorption from food. We therefore predict that the intestine might also be a major site for SARS-CoV-2. This infection might have been initiated by eating food from the Wuhan market, the putative site of the outbreak. A key question arises: why lungs appear to be the most vulnerable target organ? The reason is because of the vast surface area of lung make it highly susceptible to inhaled viruses. There is also a biological factor that 83% of ACE2 expressing cells were alveolar epithelial cells. This suggests epithelial cells can serve as a reservoir for viral invasion. Coming to the detection techniques, we have antigen detection, electron microscopy, RNA detection, isolation, and serum antibody detection. Antigen detection. Coronavirus antigens in respiratory epithelial cells can be detected using ELISA by specific monoclonal antibodies. Electron microscopy. This technique is used in the case of stool sample for detecting enteric coronavirus. RNA detection. For this, we use RT-PCR assay to detect coronavirus RNA in blood and in respiratory secretions. Isolation. Cell culturing is difficult for coronavirus, but SARS was isolated from respiratory specimens using Vero cell lines. Serum antibody detection. In this technique, we detect antibodies present in the serum using assays like ELISA, raising titer, heme agglutination inhibition test. Among all these techniques, RT-PCR is most widely used because of its main advantage of speed and sensitivity. After taking pharyngeal swab from the patient's throat, it is sent to lab to provide results within hours. This test detects virus even from the very less amounts of the sample. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay home and stay safe.